We are going to propose immediately today that nursing examinations, the fit institution is nursing college, and the management, the teachers of nursing college to set up and examine them. We are also going to have a module of practicals so that that could be the basis for selection of nurses in the health department.
आणि कितले वेकन्सीज कितें टायम
150 वेकन्सी आसा सध्या आनी वेकन्सी लॅब जाल्यार ते रिवायव जातल्यो. हे बेगिना बेगीन भरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतो. ना रेग्युलरायजेशन सांगू ना, आमकां वाट काडची पडटली तांकां कशें अकोमोडेट करपाक. वी हॅव टू फायंड अ वे. दे हॅव बीन सेल्फलेसली वर्किंग फॉर द लास्ट 6-7 years, and if they are working for 7 years, the government has to come up with some sort of a way in which we will have the examination also, but some sort of preference should be given also to them who have been working for 8 years on contract basis. And my thing is going to be very transparent. There is not going to be any kind of grey area in selection of nurses. A lot of injustice has been done. There are few people who, the other day a nurse came to me saying that I was asked for 5 lakhs of rupees. Chief Minister has put me as Health Minister to work in a transparent fashion. I had a discussion with him in the morning also. He says that you have a lot to do in Health Department. Concentrate on your portfolio and make sure everything is transparent. And I have to live up to his expectations. All the people here should realize that this department from now, the time I have taken as a minister, will work transparently, and we must do justice to the nurses. We must create a good environment for them to work, and recruitment, which has been pending for long, of nurses will be filled on priority. हांवें एक्झामी ज्यो घेतल्या ते रद्द करून परत एकदा त्यो एक्झामी आय वील डायरेक्ट नर्सिंग कॉलेज टू कंडक्ट द एक्झाम, बिकॉज दॅट्स द रायट इन्स्टिट्यूट टू कंडक्ट द एक्झामिनेशन फॉर द नर्सेस. ते भायरची खंयची तरी एजन्सी, वी आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग दॅट. आतांच हांव कॅबिनान गेल्यार नोट मूव करता, बिकॉज नियोनेटल आनी कार्डियक हे दोन क्षेत्र जे आहा, दोन मॉड्यूल्स जे आहा हे गरजेचे आहा, सो दॅट वी कॅन ट्रेन गिव ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू अवर नर्सेस टू स्टडी हियर इट सेल्फ. अँड फॉर दॅट न्यू कॉलेज विच इज कमिंग, विच वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट 8-9 months, there in the beginning itself we'll have these modules.